Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Thai red fish curry. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this we need first for red Thai curry paste, half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon whole white pepper, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch chopped galangal, 1 stalk chopped lemongrass, 1 chopped lime zest, 2 chopped shallots, a few chopped stalks of coriander roots and stems, 4 chopped kaffir lime leaves, and 6 Kashmiri red chilies deseeded and soaked. Now for the curry, you need 3 salmon fillets deboned, 800 ml coconut milk, half cup chopped broccoli, half cup red capsicum, half cup chopped mushroom, half cup chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, 3-4 kaffir lime leaves, 10 to 12 basil leaves, 1 chopped red chili pepper, 1/4 cup oil and salt and pepper as per taste. Now for the recipe, first for the curry paste, in a grinder add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, white pepper and salt and grind to a fine powder. To the same grinder add the soaked red chilies. To this add lemon zest, kaffir lime leaves, lemon stalk, garlic, coriander roots and stems, galangal and shallots. Grind the mixture to a smooth paste. If required, add a little bit of water. Your red Thai curry paste is ready. Now for the curry, season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, in a pan on medium heat, add oil. Once the oil is hot, place the salmon fillets with skin side towards the pan. Cook for 3 minutes and then flip and cook for a minute. Remove the fillets and place them on a plate. Next, in a wok on medium flame, add half cup coconut milk. Once the milk starts to boil, add the prepared Thai curry paste. Mix and cook until the coconut milk starts to ooze out the fat and a pasty consistency is achieved. After 5 to 10 minutes, you will observe that all the moisture is evaporated and the paste is darker in color. At this stage, add the remaining coconut milk. Once it starts boiling, add salt and sugar and mix. After 2 to 3 minutes, add broccoli, capsicum, mushrooms, carrots and kaffir lime leaves and mix. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame to low and place the salmon fillets. With the help of a spoon, place some sauce on top of the fish. Cook for 2 minutes so that the fish is warm. The Thai curry is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, place the prepared curry in a serving bowl. Place a salmon fillet in the middle of that bowl. Garnish the curry with red chili peppers and basil leaves. Place a bowl of prepared jasmine rice next to the curry. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, transfer the bowl of rice on one side of the plate. Place a salmon fillet on top of the rice. Add the curry next to the rice. Garnish the curry with red chili peppers and basil leaves. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add a layer of jasmine rice at the bottom of the bowl. Place a salmon fillet on top of the rice and on one side. Add the curry next to the rice. Garnish the curry with red chili peppers and basil leaves. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.